Today, we're talking about stuff on cruises that sound weird until you try it. Like, would anyone pack a shower curtain liner? But listen, it slaps. Hello, I'm Christy with Travel Adventures with James and Christy. And if you're new here, we plan mind blowing trips that take the stress off your plate and drop the fun right in your lap. So stick around. These hacks might sound strange, but they'll have you cruising like a pro. Tip number one, magnetic hooks. Yes, seriously. Cruise walls are metal. I didn't believe it either until I tested it. Hang hats, jackets, toiletry bags, you name it. And let me tell you, having your room not look like a suitcase explosion, game changer. People underestimate how tiny cruise rooms can be. These give you surfaces where there are none. Room spray. Let's just say it. You don't want your bathroom announcing your presence, especially if you're sharing it with your boo. It keeps the romance alive and your room breathable. Bring something travel size but effective. Spray, drop ins, anything that you can think of. They'll thank you later. Compression cubes or rolling your clothes ain't new, but compression cubes, weird at first, but whoa, they really do make an impact. Plus, mine are color coded, so I know what's beach stuff versus dinner outfits. You can unpack fast, find stuff quickly, and avoid digging through your suitcase every single morning. Okay, real quick, before we go any deeper, if packing has you stressed before you even board the cruise ship, go ahead and grab our airport day checklist. It's free, it's smart, and it'll keep you from showing up to the airport clueless. Been there, done that, don't want to do it again. The link is in the description below. Crocs, slippers, ugly but comfy shoes. You're not dressing to impress 24/7. You just need a pair to slip on or slide on to grab breakfast or run down to guest services. So don't let your feet suffer. No one is judging you on the cruise. Wear those Crocs. We might actually even compliment you. Now, walkability matters. You'll be walking a lot, way more than you even think, especially if your cabin's way forward and the eating spot is way at the back. Tip 5, water bottles with filters or those flavor drops. Cruise ship water is clean, but it's not always delicious. We pack those electrolytes and those true lemon, orange, and grapefruit packets. It keeps it interesting and helps with dehydration after you had a few of those drinks. Bonus tip, staying hydrated also helps with that motion sickness if you get it. Now, door decorations. Y'all, this is one of the weirdest but most fun cruise habits. People decorate their doors like it's a holiday contest. It also makes it easy to find your cabin after you had a few of those mojitos. Just look for that flamingo on the door. Now, don't y'all all go getting flamingos to go on your door. But it's a great way to add personality and keep from walking past your room 3 times. Journaling or reflection cards. Now, this one's close to my heart. I bring a little journal or gratitude deck and I jot down the highlights each night. It's one of the reasons our clients say their trips feel so memorable. It's not just the trip, it's how they experience it. This can be as simple as a notebook or a deck of those affirmations. It just keeps the vibes high and it reflects. If all this sounds fun, but you don't want to figure it out solo, that's literally what we do. We plan and host group cruises, and it's the vibe you've been looking for. So join us on one or book a private consult and let us plan something custom. Details are in the description. Tip number 8, laundry bag or one of those pop-up hampers. Nobody tells you this, but once you start swimming, changing for dinner, doing excursions, your room will look like a sock tornado. Those pop-up hampers, they're only like $2 at Walmart. Mini fans. Some cabins get stuffy, especially if you have an interior room. A fan helps airflow and it can be used as white noise if you need it for sleep. like I do. Now I'm talking about those battery fans, y'all. Not a box fan you drag from home. Theme night costumes. It sounds extra, but when Scarlet Night hits or it's 80s night, you want to be in it. Don't be that person in jeans at a white party. You've been ready for this vacation, so why not go all out? You can check the cruise lines for the theme nights ahead of time so you can pack accordingly. So, which weird item are you packing for your next cruise? Drop it in the comments. And if you got your own oddball cruise, MVP, we want to hear about it. Like, subscribe, and if you want to cruise with us, come on. We're fun, the trips are fire, and all the details are waiting for you down below.